This is how to make beef ribs, them big fat mofos. This is a 4 boner, 5 pounds of beef. 4 boner means 4 bones. Now you want to get your knife and you want to tap the fat like this, tap it. By tapping it, that means I'm going to cut off all the fat. As you see here, it's all trimmed. Now the rest of this right here, I could probably get rid of, but I'm not going to because I'm lazy. I'm going to season it with sea salt, Tony Chachere's Creole, pepper, onion powder, Italian seasoning. I did not have any garlic powder, which is a big fat no-no. And I didn't feel like going to the store, so we did without it. Now, you want to rub it in real good, nice and sensual like I'm doing. Flipping it over, you need to season the back. But as you see here, I did not take the membrane off because I want to keep it on because I don't want the meat to fall off the bone. So that membrane will keep it on. Yeah, I'm still going to season it, even though I'm not going to eat the membrane, but I'm going to just make sure it's seasoned on both sides with just salt and pepper this time. Rub it in just so it's fully seasoned. And you want to get the sides too. And all sides of the meat product. Now, I'm setting my alarm or my oven here for 450. And I forgot to do something. My robust virgin olive oil needed to go on first before that, but I'm going to do it after. I'm going to do a little drizzle here. And I got this little brush, and I'm going to brush it on. And the reason for this is, yeah, it's a nice little flavor. You know, olive oil goes good with everything. But also it adds a crust, or not a crust, but it's the texture. You want a nice bite into it. You want the outside to be a little, not crispy, but whatever. Just do it. Okay, I did it. I'm opening the oven and I'm putting them in at 450. 30 minutes at 450 degrees. That's for a 4 boner. Okay, what time is it now? It's 3 o'clock. 30 minutes passed. I dropped the temperature to 200. Now I'm cooking it. Oh, it's 4:30. Take them out. You can see they're done. What? Oh, you just poke them here, and you just pretend like you know what you're doing. You're just like, poke, poke. What am I feeling for? I don't know, so I got to get my instant read thermometer, stick it in, and then I read for what the 146. Oh my God, hurry. Yeah, cover them. You want to do that. I don't have full, so I have to use that. All right. I tended them for about 20 to 30 minutes. I can't remember. Ooh, the cut. Let's see what they look like. Oh, it looks like steak. That's so good. Mmm. And see, it's staying on the bone because I didn't cut the membrane off. Now I'm going to cut this big fat part here. Slice, 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 slice. Delightful, delicious. Oh my God, this is going to, oh, look, I'm squeezing it too. Here, I'm going to take a big old bite. Let you know what it tastes like. And look at how crispy and crusty it is on the outside. That's because of the olive oil. That's delicious. Whoa. Greasy thumb. Okay. Let me know if you want to know the that's homemade mac and cheese right there I made. Look at how cheesy it is. I should have flipped the meat over. Now you just see the bone there, but whatever. It was yum yum in my big fat tum tum. Yum yum in my big fat tum. It was yum yum in my big fat tum.